Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Coditia. This video is about a news that is spread on 13th of May, that is Thursday. There was a news spread. CDC says no need of mask for fully vaccinated. So what is CDC? CDC, the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention, it is a national public health agency of USA, that is America, whose parent agency is United States Department of Health and Human Services. So this is a disease control and prevention agency which is solely concerned of people's health of United States of America. So they trace out the diseases that are present in the country and help people overcome those diseases. So there was an announcement on Thursday, 13th of May. President Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris appeared at a press conference in White House without masks. I'll repeat this. They appeared without masks and announced a news. That news is people who have gone through the fully vaccination need not to follow the COVID restrictions like wearing the masks and gathering around people. President Biden also mentioned that 250 million vaccine shots has been given in 114 days and deaths are at the lowest level since April 2020. This is a great news for United States citizens. So only people who have got the second shot of vaccination. So whenever people get the second shot of vaccination, it means that the vaccination process is completed. Only the US citizens who have gone through the second shot of the vaccination, they have completed the vaccination. Only they are applicable to these benefits. Only they are not restricted to the COVID restrictions. So these are the vaccines that are available in United States of America. First one, to get authorization. So whenever a vaccine is to be circulated inside the country or to be used by the people of United States or any country, it should get authorization from the higher authority of the that belongs to health department. In case of America, it is the United States Department of Health and Human Services. So vaccines should get authorization from this department. Only then they can be circulated in the country and people can get vaccination shots through the vaccines that are authorized through the Department of Health and Human Services. So these are the three vaccines. There are more vaccines, but these are the ones that are got authorization from the American Department of Health and Human and are manufactured in America. The first one to get the authorization was BioNTech. The second was Moderna, then Johnson and Johnson. So the first case in United States of America was found in Jan of 2020 when a 35-year-old man in Washington DC, that is the capital of India, that is the capital of United States of America, was found sick for he was getting cough for 4 days. Then he was taken to the hospital. It was the first incident that was noted by the American authorities. Now here you can see, you'll get a graph like this if you type in COVID vaccination and the country name. For now I have given the USA. They started vaccination 20th of December 2020. Then complete up till today, not today, the 13th May 2021, almost 50% of the population had got the first dose. And there are around 40% of people, they are fully vaccinated. So the dark green indicates the country that is vaccinated at least 35% of the population. So here the dark green indicates the fully vaccinated people and the light green indicates the vaccinated people, not the fully vaccinated people, people who have got their first dose. Now let us compare this to our country, India. So here is the graph of our country. Here you can see the vaccination in India started 1 month after the USA's vaccination began. It is in Jan. United States started its vaccination in December. Only 1 month of difference. And in India, they initially started with the people with the age above 45%. You can see here the first dose of the vaccination is only 10%. And then the fully vaccinated are still 3% of the total population. This is very bad. Then I know there is huge difference between in population in United States of America and India, but we should have at least reached 25 or 25% in the first dose, but we couldn't do it. Here you can see only 3% of the fully vaccinated people are available in our country now. There are many people who say the day they get vaccination, next day they would get fever. This is because the vaccination creates antibodies. These antibodies teach us that they get trained to protect our body against these diseases. So it is compulsory to get vaccinated. It is very good to get our immune system developed so that it would counter any diseases that appears in our body. So vaccination for people above 18 of age and below 45 is already started, and the registration link is here, selfregistration.comin.goi.in for Indian people. So I request all of you people to get vaccinated so that a country would come through such a bad situation and we would restore our GDP and everything. So that's all for today, guys. If you like the video, then please do subscribe my channel. Then visit my website, that is codeddear.in. Every video I make, there will be a textual format here. So thank you, guys. Please keep me supporting.